Hey everyone, welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. Today, we're diving into fixed rate and weight-based shipping, so you can set up the perfect shipping strategy for your store. Plus, we'll unlock the international market so you can start selling worldwide. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and ready to go.
Woohoo! Now I can sell my products to customers all over the world.
That's right, once you set up the international market and shipping, you can sell to customers worldwide. So, let's start by enabling the international market, and then we'll set up both fixed rate and weight-based shipping. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. From there, go to Shipping and Delivery. And then click on General Shipping Rates under the Shipping section. Now, once you're on this page, scroll down to the Shipping Zones section, and you'll see two main zones. Domestic, by default, this will show only the country where your store is currently located. It's based on the address you added when setting up your Shopify store. International. This is where you can add other countries where you want to sell your products. Under the domestic zone, as you can see, I'm offering free shipping on my end. You might not have this option, but just to show you how it's done, if you want to remove a shipping method, click on the three dots next to the method and hit delete. Now, as you can see, there are no shipping rates for domestic shipping. So, let's click the Add Rate button to add your fixed rate shipping. In this pop-up, you'll see all the options to set up both fixed rate and weight-based shipping. First, in the rate type dropdown, we have two choices. Use flat rate. This is where you can set a fixed rate for shipping. Use carrier or app to calculate rates. Here, Shopify will show you options like UPS, USPS, or DHL. However, if your store is located outside of the United States, you may not see these options since it depends on the region your store is based in. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with Use Flat Rate so that anyone can follow along, no matter where they're located. Now, under the Shipping Rate dropdown, select Custom from the list. Next, add a name for your custom rate. For example, I'll name it Standard Shipping. Under the custom delivery description, you can include your shipping time. For example, you could write something like, delivery in 3 to 5 days. Now, let's set the price. For this demo, I'm going to put $7.50 for the fixed rate shipping, but make sure to confirm your price with your courier before setting it here. Once you've filled out all the details, click Done to add this shipping method to your domestic zone. Now that we've added the fixed rate shipping, let's move on. Click the Add Rate button again so we can set up weight-based shipping. In the Rate Type dropdown, select the Use Flat Rate option, and under Shipping Rate, choose Custom. You can add any name you want for the custom rate name, but for this tutorial, I'm going with Standard Shipping. Next, you can add a description under the Custom Delivery Description field. As I already explained what you can write here, I'll skip this for now. For the price, I'll set it to $5 this time. Now, click on the Add Conditional Pricing link right under the Price field. Here, you'll see two options. Based on item weight. Choose this option if you want to show shipping rates based on the total weight of the items at checkout. Based on order price. Select this option if you want shipping rates to be based on the total order price at checkout. If you're running a promotion, like offering free shipping on orders over $100, you can enter $100 in the minimum price field and set the price to $0 for free shipping, only when the total price is $100 or more. How cool is that? For now, let's go with based on item weight. Since this is the first shipping rate for weight-based shipping, I'll set the minimum weight to 0 pounds and the maximum weight to 10 pounds. Now, set the price to $5. Alright, once you've done that, click Add to add this rate to your domestic zone. Alright, now, we have two shipping rates. Standard Shipping, without any conditions, and Standard Shipping, with a conditional shipping price. So far, we've added our first weight-based rate for orders between 0 to 10 pounds, which costs $5. But here's a question. What happens if a customer adds items to their cart with a total weight of 15 or 20 pounds? As you can see, we haven't set a shipping rate for 10 to 20 pounds yet. If there's no matching condition, Shopify will automatically show the rate that doesn't have any conditions. For example, if the total weight doesn't match any condition, Shopify will show the $7.50 rate, our fixed shipping price. If the total weight does match the condition, 0 to 10 pounds, Shopify will display $5 instead. Now, what if we want to add another shipping rate for heavier orders? Here's what you need to do. Click the Add Rate button again. This time, set the minimum weight to 10 pounds, because our previous maximum weight was 10 pounds. Set the maximum weight to 20 pounds. Set the price to $9.50, and name it Standard Shipping. Once you've added everything, click Done to add this new rate to the domestic zone. One more important thing, if you want Shopify to show the correct shipping rates, make sure to add the weight of your products. I've already explained how to add products, so if you haven't seen that yet, be sure to check it out. Also, don't forget to add the shipping rates provided by your courier company. The rates I'm using in this tutorial are just for educational purposes, so be sure to use the actual rates from your shipping provider. And if you're creating weight-based shipping rates, make sure to define unique conditions for each range. This way, Shopify will always display the correct shipping rate to your customers. Alright, now, let's move on to setting up international shipping. The first step is to add countries where you want to sell. To do this, click on the three dots next to the international zone and select Edit Zone. Now, under Zone Name, you can name your shipping zone. For example, if you want to create a separate zone for European countries, you could name it Europe. This makes it easier to manage later. For now, I'll name it International. Next, in the Shipping Zones section, select the countries where you want to ship your products. If you want to ship worldwide, simply select all countries. But if you only want to ship to specific countries, you can pick them individually from the list. As you can see, I've selected all countries. Now, I'll just click the Done button to finish editing the zone. Now, we can add the shipping rates using the same method we used for the domestic zone. To save you some time, I'll quickly add a flat shipping rate. Alright, I've just added the flat rate for international shipping. After adding a rate for international shipping, you might see a notification saying that international customers won't be able to check out. That's because the countries I added to the international zone are in an inactive market. No worries, we just need to activate the international market. First, click the Save button to save the changes, and then head over to Markets. On the Markets page, click on International Market. Then click on a button that says Inactive, and select Active to activate the market. Once that's done, click the Save button to apply the changes. And just like that, your international customers can now check out smoothly. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you set up your flat rate and weight-based shipping in Shopify. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.